In this video, I will show you how to split data into different columns in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, select cells where you want to split data. Then click on this data tab. Now here click on text to column. Now here select delimited. Then click on next. Now here select how you want to split data, like tab, semicolon, comma, space or other. Here you can see the preview. Then click on next. Then click on finish. So we can see now our data is split in different columns. You can adjust the size for columns. Select here. Adjust size as your data. So this way you can split data. Firstly select cells or rows where you have the data. Then click on this data tab, text to column. You will see this warning. Microsoft Excel can convert only one column at a time. So firstly select this first column. Now data, text to column. Similar select delimited. Next and select comma, space, tab or semicolon which you have in your data. Then click on next. Then click on finish. That's it. So thanks for watching.